In this short video, I'm going to demonstrate how the AVBIS 3000C switches between bottle programs, in this case glass bottles, for use on the conveyor. The operator will come in. As you see, this bottle has finished. Will select the bottle program they wish to run, in this case a whiskey bottle. The rotary plate will automatically adjust the correct height for the bottle in question. Operator simply removes the bottle that they're done with. We're going to run this bottle with a conveyor, so we'll load the bottles on the conveyor. Remove the load chip in this case. The bottle does not need it. We'll tell the system to run in conveyor mode. We'll also tell it that it has 3 bottles to measure. Operator selects the run button. The reflector drops into position. First bottle is detected and loaded into position. Load arm pushes the bottle onto the center of the rotary plate. Bottle is moved into position in front of the camera. From here on, the measurement is all automated. The system begins with what we call a thread start search. Finds the end of the thread or thread start. This gives us an origin of rotation to use for other measurements around the bottle. It is coming back now to find the exact thread start. Thread start is found. Swivels to find the S position. Now we'll swivel to the parting line. Measure all neck finishes at parting line, now at 90 degrees from parting line. Because this bottle has a non-obvious parting line, we are going to use what we call a min-width search to ensure that the panels are lined up parallel to the camera to ensure correct panel placement for width measurement. The minimum position was found. The system will now measure 3 widths at 3 different heights. So one at front to back. We're now at mid-panel, now the upper panel. The bottle will now turn 90 degrees and will return to the bottom to measure the side-to-side measurement. The measurement cycle can complete with an optional ID measurement. First, the center line of the bottle is determined to ensure that the ID probes drop perfectly center inside the finish at all angles of measurement. In this way, the bottle does not have to be precisely loaded by the auto feeder. The probes will come down now to a set height set by the operator, in this case 3 millimeters from the top of finish. You will notice now that the IDs will compensate for any motion of the bottle, and now measurement at 90 degrees will take place. Probes will close and retract. This system is not equipped with an offshoot for glass bottles, so I will remove the bottle by hand, to ensure the bottle does not break. If this were to be used for a glass application, we would equip the system with a plate which the rotary plate would marry to ensure the bottle stays at the same level as the machine to prevent breaking. Next bottle is loaded, and the machine repeats. At any time, the operator can check the data output if they're using Excel and see the last bottles run. In this case, data is being reported to an Excel file. The data can also be off-put to a CSV or text file for importation into an SPC program. Again, the min-width search to ensure proper panel positioning for width measurements. In this case, we are just simply doing a front to back and side to side width measurement. Corner to corner is also easily set up. However, this particular bottle is not a precise square, so the corner to corner measurement is not critical. Again, I will catch the bottle on this demonstration system. And the final bottle is loaded. The system can be equipped with varying lengths of conveyor depending on the customer application needs. At this point, the measurement cycle is complete. The operator now can survey any data that was sent to Excel, save it. To demonstrate how the system is switched between bottles now, I will hide from our feeder menu and simply select another program, in this case, a Gordon's Gin bottle. Again, the operator simply loads the bottles onto the conveyor. In this case, because of the convex surface, I will use the V load chip. Again, enter the menu, select 3 bottles for running, run. This bottle, we decided to use a slightly lowered load speed, which you will see during the operation. Again, operation is completely automatic. Each program is obviously unique. In the case of this Gordon's Gin program, what you're seeing is what we would call a full qualification program, measuring a series of critical dimensions on the bottle. If the customer wished to have a production variant of the program, which only measured only a few of these criticals, a program could be created from the master and simply pare down the number of dimensions to measure. This would increase speed and cycle time. The more measurements that are required, particularly width dimensions, the longer the program requires to complete. Most neck finish dimensions can be completed in roughly 30 to 45 seconds. As you can see, this is a slightly longer program because of the widths and ID measurements that are included in the program. The system can be configured as a manual system without the conveyor or load arm for those facilities that do not have large volumes of bottles to measure on a regular basis. This will conclude this video. I encourage interested parties to contact AVID Corporation with any further questions, or to visit our website at www.avidvision.com. Thank you.